Good day, everyone. Today's gonna be a little bit different. So what I'm doing is repairing a boat dock. So let's get started.
Random dad stuff.
Now, if you're looking for like a how to repair stuff video, this is definitely not that. But hopefully you can see that an average guy like me can fix average stuff. Now, first of all, there's a few boards that are really bad that have big holes in them that are a hazard. So I'm gonna take care of those first, and then there's about a dozen others that are gonna be bad and pretty soon. But we'll take care of the hazard ones first. Let me show you those. Well, this one's the first bad hole. See, I put my whole hand down in there. And over here is a second bad hole. Pretty big, could be a hazard. Some small child could fall right through there. But then again, some small child could fall off the side and into the water. But it's still a hazard. Okay, so my plan here is to take up this plank here. It's got some screws in it, should be pretty easy to take out. And put down one of these that I've already cut. Looks like these use a square bit. So I'm getting my square bit toolbox here and find the right size. I think that one's a little big. Well, that one might work. We'll try that. Hope the rest aren't that bad. Perfect fit. Okay, one plank complete. On to the next. Well, that one came out a lot easier. Alright, that's 2 planks down, about 15 to go. Well, I thought I'd get an early start today before it gets too hot. Yesterday was really hot. This morning's pretty nice, about 68, 70 degrees. So I ought to be able to finish this up today. Now, some of these boards are really easy to get out if the screws all come out, but some of them somebody has nailed in over the years, and the nails are sunk below the surface of the wood, and it's really hard to get them out. I have to cut some of them out, have to hammer them. A lot of times the wood just breaks apart because it's all rotted out, and that's why we're replacing it in the first place. Now, it's always important to have the right tools when you're working. So I've got DeWalt drill here with the square head to take things out, and then I've got a separate drill with the Torx head to put them in so I don't have to keep switching out drill bits. And one's always on forward, the other one's on reverse, so it makes it go pretty quick. this next project I have here is going to be reinforcing the bottom of this stair. Notice there's not really anything under it, or it's washed away. Maybe had a couple of rocks or a piece of concrete there, but I'm gonna dig this out a little bit, put a big cinder block in there, jack this up, get the cinder block up high enough, and then lower the step back down onto there. So it should be pretty solid. Well, that's pretty much it for the day. So hopefully I've shown you that an average guy can do, not an average job, but a good job at a not difficult task with the right tools and with a little bit of planning ahead. So that's it for today. See you guys later. Bye.